సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss some important model problems in the first BSc first semester. These problems are also used in BTech course. So first of all, one by one problems we will discuss. First of all, a rocket burns 0.02 kg of fuel per second, ejecting it a gas with a velocity of 10,000 meter per second. What force does the gas exert on the rocket? We have to find the what force does the gas exert on the rocket. That means we have to find the reaction force. We have to find the reaction force. So that formula equals to F reaction equals to U dm upon dt. dm upon dt. Now given data is the given data velocity U equals to 10,000 meter per second, and a rocket burns 0.02 kg of fuel per second. That means that is the rate of mass, change of rate of mass. A rocket burns, so the rate of change of mass, that equals to 0.02 kg. So these two are given data, so we have to find this. So these two values are substituted in this equation. So that equation equals to U equals to 10,000 into 0.02, that equals to 10,000 into 0.02 means 200. What is the units of force reaction? What is the units of force? Units of force is Newton. So here what force does the gas exert on the rocket? 200 newtons force gas exert on the rocket. So this is the answer. Force reaction equals to 200 newtons. Find the momentum of an electron with kinetic energy 100 electron volts. Given mass of electron is 9 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. So here find the momentum. What is the formula of the momentum? Solution. What is the formula of the momentum? Momentum P equals to under root 2 me. Under root 2 me. Here E is the kinetic energy. First of all, given data kinetic energy equals to 100 electron volts. 100 into what is the value of the electron volts? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Kinetic energy units is the joule. So here 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2, that is 10 square. 9.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. So 10 square 10 to the power of minus 19 is the 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules. So given kinetic energy equals to 100 electron volts, that equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules. So another data, mass of electron m is the 9 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. So this value is converted into kgs. This value is in grams. This value is converted into kgs. 9 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. So the momentum P equals to under root 2 m means 9 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into Kinetic energy means 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 17. So further simplification, P equals to under root 2 nines are 18 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 31 minus 17. So here P value equals to under root 18 into 1.6 equals to 28.8 into 10 to the power of minus 48. So here P equals to, so under root of 28.8 equals to 5.37 into 10 to the power of minus 48. Root of the 10 to the power of minus 48 is the half, 10 to the power of minus 24 kg per second. This is the momentum. This is the answer. Our third problem is the a rocket having initial mass 240 kg ejects fuel at the rate of 6 kg per second, a velocity of 2 km per second vertically downwards relative itself. Calculate its velocity 25 seconds after start, taking initial velocity to be 0 and neglecting gravity. So what is the formula of the calculate the velocity? So the formula of the calculate the velocity of rocket, V equals to V naught. Already we know that this equation, V equals to V naught plus U log of m naught upon m. This is the base E. Okay, so this formula is taken from the neglecting gravity. Some cases of already we know that cases of velocity of rocket final stage, some case 1, case 2 gravity is neglecting. So that this formula is taken from that cases. Okay, so formula is the V equals to V naught plus U log to the base E m naught upon m. Okay, first of all, what are given data? Given data, m naught equals to 240 kg. So the velocity U equals to 2 km per second. Rate of the consumption of fuel is the 6 kg per second. That equals to dm upon dt, 6 kg per second. Okay, next calculate the velocity at 25 seconds after start. After start 25 seconds. So the consumption of the mass of the fuel is 6 into 25 seconds after. That equals to 150 kg mass is the ejected from first mass. So the remaining mass is the 240 minus 150 after 25 seconds. So 240 minus 140 is the 90 kg. So this is the m value, this is the m naught value. After 25 seconds 240 minus 150 equals to 90 kg. So these are values are given data. So these values are substituted in above equation. V equals to V naught initial velocity to be 0 plus U means 2 into log to the base E 240 upon 90. So total values are substituted in this equation. So this equation is equals to 0 plus 2 log to the base E 240 upon 90. V equals to 2 into log to the base E is converted into log to the base 10. The value is coefficient is the 2.303 into log to the base 10. So this is equals to log base e upon 240 upon 90. That value is the 0 is a cancel, 9 2 times 18, so 2.67. So v equals to, that value is the 2 into 2.303 into log value of 2.67 is the 0.4265. So further simplification, v equals to 1.96 kilometer per second. 1.96 kilometer per second. Our next problem is if a satellite is orbiting the earth at a height of 1600 kilometer, if the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters, acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square, already we know that. Okay, what is the formula of the time period of satellite? First of all, formula solution time period is the t equals to 2 pi under root r plus h upon g. So this is the formula of the time period. What is the given data? Given data is h equals to 1600 kilometers. So 1600 kilometers equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. Okay, radius 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. So next, acceleration due to gravity is the 9.8 meter per second square. 9 meter per second square. So these values are substituted in this equation. T equals to 2 pi is the 3.14 under root r plus h. R is the 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus h is the 1.6 into 10 to the power of 6 upon what is the g is the 9.8. T equals to 2 into 3.14 under root 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6, 1.6 into 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 6 is the common, 10 to the power of 6 is the common. So 6.4 plus 1.6 under root upon 9.8. Further simplification, t is the 2 into 3.14 is the 6.28 under root 10 to the power of 6 into, so this value is the 8 upon 9.8. So the time period t equals to 6.28. So 10 to the under root 10 to the power of 6 is the 10 cube under root 8 upon 9.8. The further simplification, what is the value of time period 6.28 into so this value under root 8 upon 9.8 is the 0.9035, so 10 cube. So further simplification, this value is the this value is equals to 5673.98 seconds or 94.566 minutes. This is the final value. This is the time period. Our next problem, a mu meson traveling with a velocity of 0.98 light velocity and is observed to have a half-life period of 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds when the same mu meson is at rest and decays find out what will be its half life. What will be its half life? Here, what is the formula here? The time. We have to find the time. We have to find the time dilation. The time dilation is equals to half life. So time dilation delta t dash equals to delta t upon under root 1 minus b square upon c square. This is the formula. This is the formula. Okay, meson means one type of atomic subparticle. So here, what is the delta t? Is the delta t is the 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds. Okay, next of all, what is the v? Is the 0.8 light velocity. So these two values are substituted in this equation. Delta t dash equals to delta t 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 upon under root 1 minus 0.8 c square upon c square. Further simplification, 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 under root 1 minus 0.8 whole square c square upon c square. Here c square is the cancel. Here c square is the cancel. So further simplification, 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 upon, so here 1 minus 0.8 whole square under root. So here, what is the further simplification? 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 under root 1 minus 0.8 whole square is the 0.64. This equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 upon 1 minus 0.64 equals to 0.36. So here, further simplification, 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 upon under root 0.36 is the 0.6. So finally, we have to simplification, 4.83 into 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds. This is the half time. Delta t dash, this is the time dilation. Delta t dash equals to 4.83 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, 2.9 upon 0.6 equals to 4.83. Okay, this is the final value. Next problem is the, if a rod travel with a speed 0.6 light velocity along its length. If a rod travel with a speed 0.6 light velocity along its length, calculate the percentage of contraction. Okay, what is the formula of the length contraction? Length contraction, L equals to L naught into under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Here L length equals to length contraction equals to L naught under root 1 minus v square is the 0.6 c whole square upon c square. So L equals to L naught under root 1 minus 0.6 whole square upon c square upon c square. Upon c square is the cancel. Remaining L equals to L naught under root 1 minus 0.36. 0.6 into 0.36. L equals to L naught under root. So this value is the 0.64. So L equals to L naught under root 0.64 is the 0.8. So L equals to 0.8 into L naught. So this is the length contraction. So we have to find the percentage. Percentage is the formula L naught minus L upon L naught into 100. This is the length contraction percentage. So here L0 minus L is the 0.8 L0 by L0 into 100. So here L0 is the common, 1 minus 0.8 upon L0 into 100. Further simplification, so here L0 is the cancel, 1 minus 0.8 is the 0.2 into 100, that equals to 20%. Length contraction is the 20%. Okay. Our next problem, a particle executes a simple harmonic motion with a period of 1 second, amplitude 0.1 meter. Find the maximum velocity and acceleration. Maximum velocity maximum formula omega into a. Maximum acceleration formula omega square a. So this is the velocity, this is the maximum acceleration. First of all, what is the omega? Here omega is the 2 pi upon t. 2 into pi is the 3.14. What is the time period? 1 second. So this equals to 6.28 radian per second. Here omega is the 6.28. So velocity maximum, V maximum equals to omega into a. Here a is the amplitude. Omega equals to 6.28 into amplitude is the 0.1. So maximum velocity 6.28 into 0.1 equals to 0.628 meter per second. This is the maximum velocity. Then maximum acceleration at maximum, that equals to omega square a. Omega square is the 6.28 whole square into 0.1. So 6.28 whole square equals to 39.4384 into 0.1. So for the simplification, 3.94384 meter per second square. This is the maximum velocity, this is the maximum acceleration. The next problem is a string of length 0.5 meter and linear density 0.001 kg per meter. Our tension is the 1 Newton. Find the frequency third hour turn. What is the third hour turn? Third hour turn is the 4 upon 2L under root T upon M. Okay, this is the third hour turn, the value of the third hour turn. So third hour turn nu at 3 equals to 4 2 into L means L is the string of length 0.5 into tension is the 1 mass 0.0001. So third hour turn equals to 4 upon 2 into 0.1 under root 1 upon 0.001. So this value is equals to 4 upon 1 means 4 into, so this value is equals to 100, because this value, this is the 10 to the power of minus 4, so okay, so 4 upon 1 is the 4 into this value 1 upon, this is the 10 to the power of minus 4, so equals 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 means 10 to the power of 4, so equals to 4 into 10 square equal 4 into 100, this equals to 400 heads. Third hour turn is the 400 heads. Our next problem is the calculate the frequency of fundamental note emitted by a piezoelectric crystal. Here piezoelectric crystal Young's modulus is the 0.8 to 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. Rho, density 2.5 into 10 to the 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter की length 3 mm. Okay, so what is the formula of the frequency in the piezoelectric effect? Frequency equals to 1 upon 2L under root y upon rho. Under root y upon rho. So here L is the 3 mm. That means 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Okay. Next of all, already we know that Young's modulus rho. So these three values are substituted in this equation. So the frequency 1 upon 2 into L means 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 under root 8 into y means 10 to the power of 11, that means 2.5 into 10 cube. So this is the simplification. 2 3s are 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 under root 8 upon 2.5 into 10 to the power of 11 minus 3. Okay, this value is the simplification. 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 cube upon 6 under root 8 upon 2.5 into 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8. So here 10 cube upon 6, 10 to the power of 8 under root 10 to the power of 8 is the 10 to the power of 4. Remaining is the under root 8.8 upon 2.5. 8 upon 2.5. So this value is the simplification. 10 to the power of 7 upon 6, 10 to the power of 7 upon 6 under root 8 upon 2.5 is the 3.2. So further simplification 10 to the power of 7 upon 6, the under root 3.2 is the 1.788. So finally the simplification, this term is the 0.298 megahertz. 98 megahertz. This is the frequency of piezoelectric crystal.